it's Aaron, and today we'll be going through the solution for Triadd. This puzzle is a level 6 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. So the main goal of this puzzle is to get these 8 triangles into this triangle frame. We have this piece of plexi in the front that stops us from accessing most of it. And to begin with, it's actually really easy to get most of these pieces in. It's just the last few that could be tricky because you can't really turn the triangles. There's not enough space. So to begin with, we can just start like just spamming them down into the bottom. Make a layer. So this is where it starts to get tricky. So we'll put the one up there. We will put one here. And so we will make a formation like so for our last 2. We will put this in, let it slide straight down. And then we can put our last piece in. And all pieces are in the frame, so this is solved. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.